You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these phrases, as well as how to say more interesting words and names vocabulary from German. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel Deutsche Bahn. Deutsche Bahn, which are the German highways, essentially. Deutsche Bahn. More videos for you here to learn more, including car brand names. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.